guys, welcome to Everything Machine Learning. Yeah, in this section, I am build the random forest model in diabetes prediction. Okay, and I have one data set in Kaggle and download this data set. Okay, let me go how to build the random forest in prediction of diabetes. This is I import the some libraries and pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and cbounds, and import my data. This is my data. Okay, and cholesterol and glucose, the age, female, weight, height, this like that. This is my diabetes and no diabetes. This is my prediction for y value. Okay, I am checked the null value. Okay, so no null value. Okay, I'm already create the model. Okay, and I have to explain that. Okay, yeah, this is check my null value, no null value, and check the info. This is int and object, just like that. My data. Now I am encoding the some values and the diabetes. Okay, encoding using the label encoding and gender and sex and male and female. This like that. My data encoding that. Okay, I am using the model and SKLN pre-processing as a label encoding, and also using the first I using the gender. Okay, and diabetes. Okay, now encoding the gender and diabetes look like that. Now my data is, see my data. So this is my data. See my gender. This is encoding the 0 1 like that, and also encoding the diabetes, and diabetes is 1, no diabetes is 0, just like that encoding that. Now it's encoding that finish, and now I'm check the correlation. This is my correlation depend between the diabetes. Okay, and this cholesterol also it's a negative correlation. This is positive correlation. This is also is a negative correlation. Okay, yeah. Now I'm plotting that some plot and cholesterol and glucose. How to my KD plot the differences. This is your cholesterol. This is the glucose. Okay, just like that. This also different. I check the plotting the data how like look like. But now I'm going to using the hypothesis testing. You know already the hyper T test and Z test. Just like that, testing hypothesis testing. The mainly I'm using focus the all the independent variable. Okay, all the independent variable. How to the difference. Okay, difference or not the every value of the mean. Okay, this correlations also is a negative. Okay, correlations all the values negative. This also same 0.02. Okay, this also 0.2. This is 0.4, this is 0.2, this also 0.2. This is occur sometimes a multiconarity affecting the your accuracy model. Okay, that's like that I'm using some hypothesis testing, so difference or not. Other import the survey the status on the t-test. Okay, they're using the state and p-value, and the first is acetyl cholesterol and age. Okay, this is also calculating that mean, so age mean. Okay, I am this is the p-value like 0.05, the same mean or the different. Okay, the hypothesis reject hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are using. It's also different. The mean is 50.2, this is 46.7. This also is alternative hypothesis go to the different mean. This also check your all the value. Okay, I'm just check with another one is cholesterol and glucose. Also the p-value is 200. And this is mean value is 207. This is 107. Also check this p-value also using different. This will go to the alternative hypothesis. Also is a different value. Okay. Now I'm splitting my data and the x. This one x. Okay, this one y. So now my check my x. Check this or x value. This is my x. Okay, this is my x value, and the cholesterol and glucose, age, gender, height, weight, is like that my x value. Okay, this is my y value. See my y. This also I'm already using the diabetes 0 or 1 and 0. This is diabetes. Now I go to the train test fleet. I'm using the model selection. This is train test fleet or model selection using. Also same my x and y. Okay, already I'm created. I am using the random forest model and create the model and model random forest, not using the hyperparameter. Okay. After doing section how to how to turn your hyperparameter. Okay. After tomorrow maybe. Okay, I will upload the video. Okay. Now I will go to the model, fit on the x train, y train. Now I will check the score x train, how to train my model score. Okay, the 100 percentage my train score, and test score is 93 percentage. Okay, this is also I know that the word fitting, so maybe the 7 or 5 to 6 percentage or 7 percentage is higher than training model. Definitely this is a little bit word fitting. Okay, I am check the feature importance on the inbuilt in a random forest, the model and feature and the importance. Okay, this is I import the column. First I split the x column. Okay, I'm already told that the x value, this is x is all the I split all the column. Okay, this is my column and convert the data frame. Okay, this one is my column. Okay, and also this one is the features. This is feature importance values. Every column how much feature importance for the random forest. So, okay, this like that. I concat that column and also using the features. Okay. I'm also using the feature. This is concat that pd dot concat, also is a pd dot main dot column, and pd dot using the feature and concat that. This is axis one. This is change my column. Okay, this is feature and the importance. Go to check my feature column. You know that every column how much feature importance. See, this is cholesterol 0.0 percentage. The glucose 0.4 high. That this one is age 0.06, gender is 0.008. It's like that every column how much important for this model. Okay, now the plotting that these values features plotting that is visible that the gender is very less. Okay, 0.00 something. Okay, it's like that. Okay, this is very big because of glucose. Okay, this one is gender. Okay, gender is very less. I am drop that value. I will drop. Okay, and x1 I create the x1, x is a drop, and gender is very less and feature importance than a forest. I'm drop the value. Okay, now go to check my x1. See the no gender value, I am dropping that. Okay, why? I feature importance value is very less and coefficient value, just like that. I drop the value on the gender. Okay, now my new create variable x1. Now go to again the train the model and split. Okay, now you check the x1 train and y1 test and x1, just like that. X1 train and x1 test and y1 train and y1 test, also using train the split, also using my change the value to x1. Okay, this is my dropping the gender value using and x. Okay, run the code also. And now this first model, the finish the models to the random forest. Okay, also using the fit the model and the x1 train and the x2 train. To check the score, I go to check my score. This is 100 percentage. This score is 89. This is less. Okay, this is less. This best model also using the first model. This is good. The second model is not good. Okay, no drop the gender value. Okay, now we finish that model and the diabetes prediction. Okay, after section go to build in advanced. Okay, maybe. Yeah, thank you for the watching that model. I share this code, go to play with the code. Okay, let lot guys, thank you for watching. Thank you.